Today we'll be talking about OB7's special feature, the Vibrate Tile. I like to call this the get out of jail free card because it's going to help with those real tight tolerance applications. I tend to use this when I maybe want to do something like put a pin into a hole. And just like you would by hand, your hand's going to kind of move around until that pin falls down into the hole. Same thing that Vibrate's going to actually achieve for you. There's two settings you can mess with in the Vibrate Tile to actually achieve this. It's the amplitude, so how much it actually moves around, and then the actual speed, so how quickly it moves that end effector back and forth. Let's go into the tablet to actually look at those two details. First, click learn the job, just as we've done before, but now slide down to Vibrate and slide that in. And just as I said, we have those two functionalities of the actual speed, and then on the right side here, we have the actual amplitude, or how hard it is vibrating. If you want to see what that looks like, you can always hold down and show me, and you can see our end effector here is actually shaking a little bit. Now, I tend to use something with a little bit lower speed, something around a 2, and then a really high amplitude, which you can see here. It's a little bit softer, but you still have quite a bit of travel to help getting that pin into the hole, or maybe bearing onto a pin, whatever the fit may be. Now, the other end of that scale would be a very fast vibration, which we can see here. See, it's quite loud. That's going to help with more maybe pushing something along, something where you want to continuously vibrate it very quickly. Now, on the left side here, you can see it's going to start this vibration. And if you wanted to turn that vibrate off later in the job, you can always do that by sliding another Vibrate Tile in and selecting stop. And that will cease the vibration that you started in the previous. So the next time you may have a tight fit application, I recommend using the Vibrate function to help you with that.